Good morning peeps, Sunday the 26th today, and I'm filling in for Brian Derrick in the Summer League here at Manor Farm. We've got all three lakes in, there's 30 anglers here today, and there's some superstars around. Alright, so I'm going to take his place because he's tied up, and I'll do my best for him. Right, I'll catch you at the draw, which will be in about 5 minutes time. Morning Vic, morning Paul, there we are. First one that come to hand.
You need some more hooks for it?
Nine, yeah, 9 on new, that's it, there we are. Flyer, yes, that's the flyer, Paul. Right, I'm all set up. Let me show you where I am. You know where I am because I drew peg 9. I've got 4 swims set up, one down here, in here along the edge here. I've got top kitten 1, top kitten 2, and 13 metres. There's 3, and 1 down there by them reeds down there on my left hand side. Right, baits. I've got meat, corn, 4 mils, 6 mils, do you mind? And micros, alright. My rigs. I've got, you can see there, 5 rigs. They're all 4x10s. Except that one is a 0.2 matrix one for down that edge. Right, time to get my nets in, and I'll catch you at the start. Hope I do well for you, Brian. Right, any second now. All the superstars are here today. Right, I've got a small 6 mil on first. On top kitten 2 I'm going to go first. See how that starts, and that's just at that tree over there. Top kitten 2, top kitten 1 down here. I've got 2 edges, I'll see which one produce, but I'll just, here we go, all the best. Yeah, that's how. All the best everybody, he said, and me, James. Right, that's that tree over there, so I'm just there's about 6 or 8 4 mils in there. And let's drop them right in there with them. It's quite deep. Let's see what happens today. Geese are messing around still over there. See how today go on peg 9 again. Just give it a go, see what happens. Because normally I'm with a club on a Sunday, but today I'm sitting in for somebody, as I said earlier. Brian Derrick, he's elsewhere. He's doing all right, actually. Apparently, him and his partner are winning at the moment. It's all on today, though. On a 2-day, you can't win it on the first day. What I'm going to do, as I've shown you my bait, I'm going to go meat short, pellets on everything else, and probably corn as well on everything else. We'll see.
Never ready.
Just move that back in closer because I was a little bit further out there. Only inches, but you see you want to be right over your bait, don't you? Right, I'll let you know if anything happened. Haven't seen anything yet. I lost one a minute ago. Come back with a scale. Very slow at the moment. Nobody's catching yet. Nice little start. Oops, he always do that to me when I pick them up. Come on. Come on. Oh, he's lively. He's a pound. Get out. There we go. First one. Well, I'm in again. I changed it slightly. I put a pot of micros in, or a little cad pot. And I didn't turn you on straight away because that's pulling so hard it might be foul hooked. We shall see. He's a bit angry. Worst pulling is either a good one or it's foul hooked. Nice little bite though. It weren't sort of like dinking around, it just toom. Certainly don't give himself up. That's a bloody good one. Got a bit weed with him. Right, where are you hooked, old pal? Yeah, hooked up the bum. That's probably getting on for £6, that is. Yeah, so I'll give it 5. I've hooked another one. So I've hooked one, I never said I got it until I was in my net. Perfectly hooked, not quite in the top lip, but just in the side, it's good, near enough for me. Do well. That's another pound, so £7. Don't know how long we've been going. Let's have a look. 3/4 of an hour. It's very slow all the way around the lake. It's my second skimmer. Hope to come out in the net. I've got 2 in there now for around about £1. It's going all right. Slow start, but there you go. Like I say, I changed it to micros, feeding micros instead of pellets, so I'll get this tangle out and get back in. I was going to say some of them geese are so noisy. I had one a little while ago, about £1.50, and I just lost one just now. It was obviously foul hooked. As you can see, it was strange, same sort of bite, but there you go, what can you do? Come on. Oh, well, I go to the foot of my front door. Come on. Well, look at nearly lost it again. It's a good 3. I lost another disgorger a little while ago before we started. Bent down to get something that slipped out from behind me here, straight in the water, straight under. I'm going to have to get floating ones, aren't I? Oh, come on. That's double hooked in his lip. That's got to move it a bit. That's got it. Now he's caught in his dorsal. Right, that's 3, isn't it? We're going all right. I went down that edge, foul hooked one. Lost that, obviously, otherwise I'd have shown you. Got a little cruise, and look at that, where it's hooked perfectly. I'll put him in with the silvers. He's not quite £1, so I won't click him. Still, at the moment, I'm on about £12. I got that one just down my right hand edge on a bit of meat. I changed my swim, went to top kitten 1 with meat, and I'm in. I went down my right hand side and you see that little cruising. That's alright. It's a couple of £1. Come here, old partner. That wasn't hooked so good. Very strange, it's very quiet everywhere. Nobody's really smashing it. Should have left you running. I just put another bit of bait on, dropped it straight in with 3 bits of meat in the pot. Straight in, straight away. Another one about £1. Perhaps top kitten 1 has picked up. In again on his top kitten 1. Come on, my old fruit. Don't pull out. You did. Flip. There we go. Lovely. Top lip job. Lovely. I was missing so many bites. I keep getting bites after bites. So I changed my hook. Changed my hook to a 14 with no band on it, and that was the result. So what I do is pick a nice little cube, hook it on nicely like that, roll it round, and put 3 or 4 in here. I'll show you where I'm fishing. I'm saying it's posting at fishing. Just there, Plop them 4 bits in. Let them sink down and then catch it up with mine. Just lower it down nice and steady. My mate over the way there, he's doing well. He's the one that's really catching. So we'll see if I can show you one here. Got nice and warm now, so as you can see I've took my top off, so that's alright. Bit of a breeze, but that's okay. Come on, soon they're going to be camera shy, aren't they? Our mate is in over there. Down his edge. Well, you watch, as soon as I switch you off, it'll go under. Typical. It did go under 10 seconds after I turned you off, twice. But it felt nothing. I had another nice one just now, but the camera wouldn't turn on, so I've sorted that out. Very finicky little bites. I'm having to go, I'm on 6mm bit of meat, but I'm having to cut it in half to make it even smaller. Done that twice now and hasn't made a difference. Yeah, I get a tiny bit, find a bit, I've cut a bit on the small side. I'm not feeding every time I go out, because if they're not there, there's no point feeding them, is there? Right, let's see how this one go. Well, this one's down the right hand edge. I thought I'll give it a go. I got another one, that's a good. Crikey, alright mate, alright. Come here. Try to get him between my legs, he won't let me. It's got to be close on 4. I'll give it 3. £22 in total, I think. Well, this one took a long time to get in. That's hooked under his dorsal fin. Not his dorsal fin, his pectoral fin. Yeah, just under his fin. That's a good £6 plus, that is. I reckon that's 6, maybe even 7. Heavy. He's a chunk. I'll give it 6. 29, £30 now. Very slow going. Got another booty. Right in the top lip. Perfectly hooked. That's £4. Well, I'll give it a 5 actually. That's a good one. Right, quick update. £37. Come on. Well, straight away. Went in, emptied my cad pot, lifted my float, put it in position. When I lifted up, it took it when the float was about 6 inches above the water. It's not a big one because I haven't even pulled any elastic out. It's £1.5. That's close on £2, you know. What do you think? Another one about £1. Run the top lip perfectly. Start the second net now because I've got silvers in the other one. Give that £1. £39. Back on my top kitten 1. I had 2 on the top kitten 2 and I just had one a little while ago. We got just a whisker over half an hour left. Still on meat on this top kitten 1. Yep, well, hook's come out in a net. Yeah, hook's still there, that's okay. That's £3. Crikey. He go crazy, he go crazy. Well, I just had two on a trot. One I had just now, I didn't put you on because I could tell that was foul hooked. Pulling him in backwards because I managed to get him in. About £3. So I've now got another one as soon as I put it back in again. So we haven't got long left. Probably about 15-20 minutes, something like that. It was a fight, yeah, it's not very big, but my God. Oh. Righty, come on. I think that's fair hooked as well. Yeah, it is, yeah. Right on his side. Poor old boy, sorry mate. Another 2. Quick update. We've got 22 minutes left. 35, 43, 46 pounds. Hello peeps, just a quick reminder, because specialists tell us to do this. If you wouldn't mind like and subscribing my channel please. The subscribe button is just there. The like button is just there, and if you hit that bell icon it will remind you every time I put a video out. Although some of you are waiting for my videos to come out, it's very kind of you. Right, I'm getting prepared for my next match. Right, catch you there. And again straight away. Straight into my net. That's just about 2. Right, let's get head down for the last 15 minutes. Here's another one. I think we've got 6 minutes left. I looked just before I got the bite. Oh, it's come out in the net. Only about a pound, but that's all right. Still on meat there. As what I've done is I've picked out the really small pieces because I keep getting bites and there's nothing there. So I put a small piece on like that. Trim it off a little bit. Make it a little bit smaller. Drop it in right there. Right, we've got about 5 minutes left. Another one straight away. Right, small bit of meat this time. Looks like I keep hitting bites and they're not there. Right, black one, look. Oh, careful, careful, careful. Come here. Right, black. That's a good £2. We're doing all right now. Well, I think I've hit me just over 50 now. Yeah, 35, 45, about £51. So what I do, I'll leave you running because there's only a couple of minutes left, I think. Putting a much smaller piece on seems to make all the difference for some reason. Just going right there. Big Tony up there has really hammered us at this end. Chap over there has hammered everybody else, I think. What have we got, about a minute? Yeah. Go away, you noisy geese. That whistle should go any minute now. Come on, one more fishy, come on. Has that took my bait off? No. I see it just bob there for a second. Come on, one more fish before the whistle. There it is. I didn't get one before the whistle. Right, I'll see how close I am. What have I got? 35, 45. Cool, this got about £55, so it's not too bad. Right, I think I got 53. Let's have a look how close I am today.
Definitely. We'll find out. I pinned the face in.
This peg is Brian.
Say again.
Brian.
Yeah, 35 in that net.
That's what I've clicked. Ooh.
£40. Oh my god. And 14 ounces.
Oh, £5 out this time. I underclicked today on that one. Make a change, doesn't it? Oh, careful. They go crazy.
£18 one. Not yet.
I was under with that.
16, okay, I might go 17. I got a bit carried away with that. settle, James. 16.11.
Yeah.
Pardon? I've had a few, but I've also had a lot. I've got them in. No, I've got away. One went underneath the bridge to say hello to Bob. So what one is it? £100? No, not £100, Alan. Right. Definitely not. There's £3 in there.
See what the last one go.
£3.07.
I won't fire it with that. I said 3. So.
Glass. 16.11. Glass. £3.07. Then after that, 61 dead.
£61. I was way out. £61.
Oh, well done.
Thank you, mate. Right, I'll show you the sheet at the end as usual. Because I'm Brian today. Well, here's the sheet. This is the lake. Well, I'll show you island and lagoon first. That was one here by £89, 8 ounces. Second was 88, so that was close. And I think it was island, 44.64, 64.72 as well. So they've done all right on the island and lagoon. And this is where I was. I was standing in for Brian. I had £61 on the nose. But the winner there was 124, Danny M. There's some good weights. There's 90, 66, 96, 79 down here, and a 90 there. There we are. I don't know where I am next, so I'll catch you again later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.